It's like everybody seeing life different. The people never seem to make their own decisions. In the prison of our own thoughts, and there's always something missing. No wonder we all pissed off, disconnected from each other. Every human in their own world. You could tell by how they look at one another. Maybe times change with the economy, maybe technology, or the loss in equality. I ain't asking for apologies, I just wanna show you how we living from an outside view. What we lacking is in honesty, so the word